going on, guys? Frank Medrano here, and a lot of people have been asking me about a morning get out of bed mobility warm-up routine. I'm going to show you some really good back exercises that are really good to help you loosen up your back, relieve pain. These exercises help me a lot to prevent injuries. I stopped getting injuries. I'm always healthy because I started doing these mobility exercises in the morning. You could also do them before your workout or after your workout or anytime during the day when you're experiencing some sort of pain. These exercises are also going to help you with your range of motion for your exercises, so you're going to be able to have more effective workouts. Not only that, but it'll give you the freedom to be more functional and do the physical activities that you love to do throughout the day. And with that said, let's get started with the very first exercise. Okay guys, those were the exercises. I recommend you stay within the 8 to 12 rep range. Always make sure to practice controlled form, slow and steady. Make sure you're breathing correctly. Breathe in, breathe out, and go slow and steady. Don't rush it. I would do 1 to 2 sets of each exercise, and depending on how you feel and how much pain you have, you could go from there. But I hope you like these exercises and you implement them as a warm-up or as a morning routine. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you next time.